Hello, in front of me I've got SHARK ChillPill. In this video I'll show you how to refill the misting pod. In the beginning, make sure that the misting pod is out, and now open this cover. Fill it to the brim, and next close it. Make sure that everything here is completely dry. For safety, turn off the power and install the misting pod. Now turn on the power, press here, and you can change misting power. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.